Well, this morning Mom and Luke left. It was so fun having them down here. We just all really have a blast when we're together, and we're all looking forward to being back together in Wisconsin April and May-ish. So for tonight I pulled out some venison, and I want to give a huge thank you to Kai and Jen. If you are watching this, I love you guys. Thank you so much for sharing your meat. When I was in Cedar City last week, I went and visited Kai and Jen. I didn't bring the camera with me, I just only had an evening with them, so I wanted to be really present and there. But they gifted me 2 large pieces of venison and some of their very own chicken breast. And tonight, Noah and I really have limited options for food, but we do have a little grill, so we're gonna make basically kebabs with it. So Kai and Jen, thank you so much for dinner, and we're gonna get cooking. How are you doing?
Good. Which beer do I have? Blue or orange?
Blue. Cheers to what?
Oh, to Kai and Jen.
Cheers to Kai and Jen! This is really blown out from that light. We gotta move. This is better. Okay.
Yeah, it's better. Okay.
Wait, we gotta get the meat in here. This is dripping on me. Okay, cheers.
No, hold on, let me turn off.
I think it's actually my lens.
Grease on it? Like every time
actually
you use
salt.
Marco Polo.
Do I have that every time he's Marco Polo?
When you were driving, like every other time you'd be like, ah.
I never even noticed that.
Yeah.
Okay, cheers to Kai and Jen.
To Kai and Jen.
Alright, first bite of venison. Do you want to share this?
Sure. Oh. Feel his ears. It's good?
Oh, that is so good. Mmm.
Wow. Alright, let's eat.
It's still really tender.
Very tender.
Wow, that is so good.
A little bit of smokiness.
Should we try this chicken?
Of course. Got me
Here,
holding
you
this in.
grab that. Oh, shit.
It looks good.
Here.
Alright, I'm gonna get the rest.
Okay. Alright, so we've got Jojo here and Noah. Oh yeah, Josiah. People don't know yet, it's Jojo. Josiah, Noah, and we are taking a boat out, and our plan today is to fish and ideally catch dinner.
We're gonna catch some.
it's a little one. He's a dinosaur.
He's a baby.
So in here is another crocodile. That's its tail. Wow, he is a dinosaur. Wow. He's got such a skinny snoot. Oh my gosh, we're so close to him. This is amazing.
Like zoom in.
I know. Oh wow, my camera went on. Wow, these are gnarly teeth.
May I hold it up?
Dang it! Dang it! Dang it! That was cool!
Hey, you just got your first picture of
I
that, right?
know, thank you. Oh, he's a little bigger than me.
Want some photos of it?
Okay, buddy, I'm not letting you go. He's just so skinny and slippery. I just want to be able to like see him a little. So beautiful. No!
That's gonna be a great video.
No. We'll still have 2 in a row that's just like that. So like the next time, you guys, I got this one.
Dang it!
It is my first fish of the day. Thank you very much.
I'm glad I got that.
That's adorable.
Isn't that pretty?
So beautiful.
Such a beautiful fish.
Okay, back home, little boy. Oh, that one's really nice. That is a nice size fish by my standards.
He's pretty.
Pretty.
Very pretty. Well, he does have some teeth though. Very beautiful fish.
Can you zoom in on it? I can't.
I can't believe he didn't let go.
What the heck?
I don't know, but it looks like he's about to pinch my foot.
Did you get him with a little shrimp?
Yeah.
So he was just hanging on to the shrimp that was on his line. And he was slowly bringing him up in the water column, and I just put my hands in the water.
He's so cute.
Oh my gosh. He is so cute. Wow.
You film, I'll put him in the water.
Oh, film him in the... Oh, shit, a fish! Oh my god.
Here.
You have...
All right. Off we go.
Linnea's just a shit show.
Look, cute little fangs.
Let me see his fangs. See his little fangs. Oh my
Look at it
goodness.
straight on. It's like a little vampire fish.
So beautiful. But unfortunately, none of these are big enough.
Okay. I've got a mangrove. Oh, there's a moray eel right next to the boat. Right here.
Wow, he is really neat.
Oh, he's just chilling.
Wow. I have decided to return to the desert. Originally, my plan was to be here in Islamorada for a little while and then slowly bounce kind of up to Wisconsin. But rather than staying not in the west, I'm gonna go back to the west. I'm gonna go back to Arizona for, I don't know, two weeks or so, and then slowly make my way back to the Midwest to make sure that I'm back for the build with Noah. Akela's been struggling with the humidity. When we go on walks, well, she can't even really come running with me anymore. She just tries to turn around and come back. So she's been really enjoying this AC, and that's also part of the reason why heading back to the west is going to be beneficial for her, just to be more comfortable too. So basically the plan is to leave really early tomorrow morning. So this is our last day in Florida. I worked all morning. Basically I was stuck in this camper getting a bunch of stuff done, and I've been doing laundry, so my plans for the evening are to finish up all of my laundry. I need to tidy the van, make sure that I have everything packed up and ready for the morning. And then I think I'm going to try to grab one of these kayaks and catch the sunset for my last evening here. Oh shit! Oh, you scared both of us. Right here. Lay down. Putting some nicks in your back. I got it perfect.
Bubblegum fights on the third floor. Comedy specials at 8. Fishing rod and a quiet fear that what I caught wouldn't be big enough for you at lying say I did great. And all of these moments they add up to something that feels so big. And all that I'm left with's a dry throat. I lose my head when you call me up and ask if I'm doing okay. Was it easier when I was younger? Did the ones I loved seem rosier? Or was it all the trick you played on me? Nowadays we're all so spread out, a time zone for each of our
Linnea.
What?
Let's switch.
No.
I'm gonna go on that side.
Oh, okay.
Let's switch. You reel in the fish.
Should do a magic trick.
Oh yeah, that's right. Alright. You want me to do a magic trick?
She's like, you get it.
Ready? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Do I have it? Hold on. I have it! Here, see, it's real.
Put it over here.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Oh, you look so beautiful already.
Wow, Akela, look at you. She's just tolerating this. Oh.
He looks like Elton John when he wears them.
Over my other glasses.
Sing us a song.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.